Hey everyone, so today I'm here at the Butterfly Key West Nature Conservatory, and I haven't been here in a few years, but today I actually have access to go inside, just check out the place, hang out with the animals, and also visit the flamingos. Last time I was here, I was actually really freaked out by the flamingos, and today I'm hoping that I can face my fear and interact with them and be normal instead of running away. And let's mask up because we're still sort of in quarantine. Ready. Sort of looks like I'm about to rob the place, huh? This is Clarisa. She pretty much runs the place.
We have 40 different species of birds from all over the world, mostly seed and fruit-eating finches. We have Rhett and Scarlett, our two resident flamingos. We have mandarin ducks, 2 of them. We have Chinese button quail. We have 1 Japanese quail, and thousands of butterflies. We breed a limited amount, mostly native species, and the rest we import from all over the world. We have farmers in the Philippines, Central and South America, and they collect the chrysalis and then send them to us, and we keep them on display until they're ready to emerge as butterflies.
The flamingos are called Rhett and Scarlett?
Yes, we had a 6-month-long naming competition, and those were the winning names.
Do you like birds?
I do not care for birds. I'm terribly afraid of them, but I have spent years convincing myself that Rhett and Scarlett are not birds. They are big, pink, beautiful dinosaurs.
And do they bite?
They do not bite. They don't have teeth, so they can't bite.
Do they like people?
They love people. They're very social. We never really knew that about them until Hurricane Irma, when we were closed for a month, and my daughter came in and played with them. She was 2 and I didn't have childcare, so she came every day, and they played together as equals. And before that, they never came out of the pond. After that, they've been people-friendly.
How does it work to interact with them?
Every day at 4:30 we do a private flamingo encounter for a maximum of 6 people. And people come in, sit here in the gazebo, I open the gate, and Rhett and Scarlett run out and say hi. Sometimes they'll do a dance, sometimes they'll brush your hair, sometimes they'll try to sit on your lap.
What?
Love people.
Are you serious? Alright. Do you think they'll like me?
I do. We're gonna find out.
Really? Okay, so what do we do first?
Okay, so you sit here, and I will go open the gate, and I'll come visit you.
So this is like sort of waiting for a date. I'm here waiting. Oh my god, they're running this way. Oh my god. What? They're huge. They just walked by me. Wow, so they just hang out, huh?
They do. Sometimes they'll want to interact more. Sometimes they'll just want to show you how pretty they are, like this.
It's weird, like when you're sitting down, their beaks are right at your face.
Yes. Yes, and they do like to be the tallest in the room.
Oh really? What do I do if he does this? Is sort of freaky. Hello.
Come on.
Wow, look how tall he is.
Yeah, and see, he's standing on his tippy toes to be even taller.
Oh really?
Because you're tall.
They stand on their tippy toes.
She's not quite as addicted to being the tallest in the room. She's okay. He wants to be the tallest.
And they're basically dinosaurs, huh?
They are.
Oh, do you think they know about these cameras too?
Yeah, Rhett for sure does. And you see the telephoto lens, he freaks out.
Their necks look so fluffy. Looks like fur.
They feel like velours.
Yeah, do you ever pet them or anything? Or?
No, it's not good to pet them because they excrete an oil here on their necks that they're rubbing on their feathers to make them waterproof.
To make them what?
Waterproof.
Waterproof, okay. Yeah, because they don't swim, but they stay in the water a lot. And they fly.
Yes.
I was documenting a osprey's nest, and I saw that the bird was in there. I was flying around it, and it turned its head like that. Do you know what that means when they turn their head like that?
These 2, well, I don't know about osprey, but with flamingos, they don't have peripheral vision, so they're looking at you.
Oh, really? That's why they're turning their head.
Yeah, I know. Yes. Yeah.
Oh, whoa.
Take a bow. Good job.
Really? They know what that is.
They're fancy. Oh, it's right.
Hey, there you go. They're not scary at all anymore.
No. No, they're very lovable.
There's Clarisa.
Hello.
This is
Rhett.
Rhett.
Scarlett.
This is Rhett.
Yeah, closest to you.
Hey there. The Butterfly Conservatory has these unintended stars.
Yes, Key West's biggest celebrity. I know. I know. I see you too. I do. I do. I know. I know. Okay.
They're great.
They're very, very social. Very loving. Take a bow. Good job.
Hey, Rhett. You like cameras? Wow. And they literally have like, their nose is like all in their beak.
Yeah. Because they're filter feeders, that's where the extra water goes out. They're filtering their
What do they eat?
And in nature, they eat anything that they can get in the waves. But here, they eat flamingo and sleep.
Okay.
I'll show you. It looks like dog food.
Oh, let's check out this flamingo kibble.
Come on.
All right.
Oh, come here. Look at that.
That's a dog bowl.
Yeah. The smaller the bowl, the more they like it. Because
Really?
there's vibration in the water.
Oh. Hey there.
I know. They won't filter when they're not in the water. But their food. I know.
Can you come in the shade? Somehow. Walk around.
Walking.
They're so tall.
Oh, good job.
Yeah.
They won't eat out here because they're not able to filter it. But it's just pelleted form of shrimp, vitamins and minerals. Everything they need to stay healthy.
Oh,
and
so
colorful.
they eat from the water.
Yes. Other flamingos in captivity, you broadcast this into the water and then they filter it like they would in nature. These two have never done that and they are not fans of that. They like to get it in the bowl and then go to the water and filter it.
Oh, I see. Wow. What's going on here? Are they playing or?
That's Rhett being jealous because she was getting more attention than him. So he has that little, he makes that high-pitched noise. She'll go
Really?
out for a minute and then she'll come back.
It's like a reality show for flamingos.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Yes. You're so fancy.
Hello. You're so pretty. Ah. You know, you remind me of cats. You're always grooming. Right?
Rhett, do you want some water? Want some water?
Well, it's clear Clarisa has a way with the flamingos. The best footage I have of interaction is with you, so that's what I got. Oh, look at that schnoz. Oh my goodness.
Yes, the camera is attention.
Camera. Are they brothers and sisters or related anyway? Or?
They are not. They were from different flocks, but they were incubated and happened to be born on the same day.
Born on the same day.
Valentine's Day.
They're like non-related twins.
Yes. Yes. We hope they'll have babies someday, but so far they've only been interested in interacting with people.
We only like people.
Yeah.
Look at my face. They're gonna take us for a tour of the butterfly garden. Oh, you guys are going that way.
They'll catch up. Well, we brought in, typically we wouldn't have any host plants in here, but because we've been closed for 2 months, we brought in a few host plants and we're having our own native species.
Oh, you guys are back.
Hi.
Look at you. This is like you do your live videos, I guess. Just go for a walk with the flamingos and everyone loves it.
Yeah.
Hey. Very pretty. Do the butterflies ever sit still for a picture? I guess they're the hardest to predict of all.
They are. They're very hard. Later in the day, as it gets closer to sunset, they get tired, and some of them will they'll slow down and it's easier to take pictures. Because when it's bright, they're flying.
Yeah. Hello. 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 Oh, you got your wings out. What's back there?
Good job.
Oh, he even does like a little sigh when he does it. Or is this a she? This is Scarlett.
That's she, yeah. But they both make that.
It's like, That's amazing.
Yeah.
Hey, you guys want the camera? Photo bombing flamingos.
This is the Atlas moth from Asia. They're nocturnal, so they're not going to fly.
Oh, that's a moth right there?
Yeah.
That big, huge thing is a moth?
Yes. And he's just emerged from that cocoon. These are still full, waiting to emerge.
Okay, fine, I'll give you the camera. Here you go. Right up on the case. They really want the camera. Stuck, I can't move. Like, if you didn't know their personality, like, you could really get freaked out by this, you know?
Yeah, they're intimidating, but they just want to love.
Yeah, love me. This is an amazing thing. Like, reference, here's my hand next to it. That is, I didn't know moths got that big. They're like butterflies.
Yeah, they're huge, huge, huge.
How long do they live for, do you know?
A moth, like this particular one, will only live 3 days because it doesn't have a mouth. Its sole purpose is to emerge, reproduce, and die.
3 days.
So it can't eat. If you'll notice here on its wingtips, it looks like a snake. It's a snake head with the eye to scare off prey.
You could almost see through their wing in those holes.
We have never had a lot of luck with them, but since we didn't have any butterflies and we had lots of downtime, we've been working on that since we've been closed. And now we have all of these moths.
Did he come out of this thing?
Yes, that's the one he's hanging on. Yep.
Wow.
So typically we get in about 400 to 600 chrysalis a week. And they all are here in the windows and waiting to emerge. And then once they emerge, they dry their wings and then they come out here to the conservatory.
Oh, okay.
But we haven't had any international flights. We haven't had any ability to get chrysalis. So we don't have any.
But you still have plenty of butterflies in here. Do they have a longer lifespan?
No, these are just Florida natives that we brought the host plants in so they could reproduce on their own. But typically we don't have any host plants back here because you can either have a big beautiful garden like this or you can feed caterpillars. Caterpillars eat 600 times their body weight every day.
Wow.
So they would total a garden like this pretty quickly. The ones in here right now are Florida natives. We have Julia, we have Monarch, we have Zebra Longwing, and we have their host plants tucked in and around different places. So they've been laying their eggs, caterpillars have been developing, chrysalis have been formed, and then they've emerged as butterflies.
Alright, here we go. Here's the camera. They love this showbiz. This is the cattle heart. What are these?
They're real butterflies that lived out their lives on butterfly farms all over the world, and after they die, they collect them and send them to us, and we do artwork with them. And they'll stay like this, preserved forever, as long as you keep them out of direct sunlight.
Are you guys still open, or?
We are not open. We close March 19th, but we're planning on reopening June 1st. And in the meantime, we've been doing Shopping Thursday, every Thursday at 9:15 a.m., where I just do a tour of the gift shop and the gallery, and we do personal shopping. It's a little bit like Marco Polo or Hot Cold, because someone will see something and then I run all over the room looking for it. But it's a lot of fun, and people have had a great time exploring the gift shop.
So that was quite a freaking experience. Thinking about it, like, once you get to know those flamingos, they're huge and intimidating. They have huge beaks, but after spending a little bit of time with them, you sort of realize, you know, they just want attention. They're very social creatures, and they love cameras, which is pretty cool. So if you eventually get to come here, you can actually book your experience with them and have it set up just for you and your group. So thanks for watching this YouTube video. I appreciate Clarissa coming on this trip with us and experience the flamingos, the butterflies, the birds, and showing us around. Alright, so if you want more of these videos, please subscribe. I'll keep on making them. Thanks. Bye.